check! It's English O'Clock! Ang pag-aaral ng English upang madaling matutunan, bakit hindi natin simplihan? Halika! Manood at makinig sa English Teacher ni Juan! Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na to, huwag kang matakot! I made learning English easy for you! Please like, comment, and subscribe. At pakishare mo na rin sa iba para marami pang mga Juan na gaya mo ang matuto. Heads up grade 7, we are now on quarter 4. Can you believe it? Nasa huling quarter na tayo. I'm sure you are all excited to learn your first lesson. Kaya naman, tara na't magsimula na tayo. Our target learning competency for this video is evaluate informational text in a range of media for clarity of meaning, purpose, form, and function. And here are our lesson objectives. Analyzing linguistic features. Problem solution expository text. Identify and describe the diction and style commonly used in problem solution expository text. Identify transition markers commonly used in problem solution expository texts. This video lesson will primarily focus on analyzing linguistic features, specifically diction and style in problem solution texts, and transition markers in problem solution texts. Kung matatandaan nyo, meron na tayong video lesson tungkol sa expository text at meron na rin tayong bukod na video lesson tungkol sa isang uri ng expository text which is comparison and contrast. This time, we will shift our discussion to another type of expository text which is problem solution. Before we proceed, let's have some sort of review about expository text and its types. An expository text is a type of writing that aims to explain, inform, or describe a topic clearly and logically. It presents facts, definitions, and explanations without expressing personal opinions or emotions. Common examples include textbooks, news articles, how-to guides, and research reports. This time, we will talk about another type of expository text which is problem solution expository text. It is a type of writing that identifies a specific problem and presents one or more possible solutions. Its main purpose is to inform readers about an issue and explain how it can be resolved. Here is the structure of a problem solution expository text. Introduction. Presents the problem and its significance. Problem explanation. Describes the issue in detail, including its causes and effects. Proposed solutions. Suggest one or more solutions to address the problem. Evaluation and conclusion. It explains why the solutions would be effective and summarizes key points. Meanwhile, here are some example topics for problem solution text. Problem: bullying in schools. Solution: implementing anti-bullying programs and counseling services. Problem: air pollution. Solution: promoting the use of renewable energy and stricter environmental laws. This type of expository text helps readers understand issues logically and consider practical solutions. In a problem solution expository text, signal words help readers identify the structure of the passage by indicating the problem being discussed and the proposed solutions. Some common signal words and phrases include problem is, because, since, this led to, one possible solution is, therefore, if, then, thus. Let's use these transition words in a passage. Let me read. The problem of cyberbullying and its solution. Cyberbullying is a growing problem among students, especially with the rise of social media. It negatively affects mental health because victims often feel isolated and anxious. Since online harassment can happen anonymously, many bullies continue their harmful behavior without consequences. This led to an increase in depression and low self-esteem among young people. One possible solution is implementing stricter online policies and school programs to educate students about responsible internet use. Therefore, schools and parents should work together to monitor online activity and provide support for victims. If students are encouraged to speak up and report cyberbullying, then online spaces can become safer. Thus, raising awareness and enforcing stricter rules can help reduce the impact of cyberbullying. To discuss further, here are some key aspects of problem solution expository text. Number 1. Use of discipline-specific words. Problem solution expository text often include discipline-specific words, which are technical or specialized terms unique to a particular field of study. These words ensure accuracy and precision when discussing a problem and its solutions. For example, in a medical-related problem solution text on diabetes management, terms like insulin resistance, glucose metabolism, and glycemic index would be used. In an environmental text about climate change, terms like carbon footprint, greenhouse gases, and renewable energy would appear. Using discipline-specific vocabulary enhances credibility and helps communicate effectively with experts and professionals in that field. Number 2. Tone. Objective, persuasive, and authoritative. The tone of a problem solution expository text should be objective. It presents facts, data, and logical reasoning rather than personal opinions or emotions. Persuasive. It encourages the audience to recognize the problem and accept the proposed solution as valid and effective. Authoritative. It demonstrates expertise by citing reliable sources, using precise terminology, and presenting well-researched solutions. For example, an article about cybersecurity threats should present statistics on cybercrime and expert recommendations on preventing data breaches without emotional bias. Number 3. Diverse target audience. The target audience of a problem solution text varies depending on the topic and purpose. Potential audiences include stakeholders and decision makers, including government officials or policymakers. They need solutions for public policies or industry regulations. The general public. They require accessible explanations to understand societal issues like pollution or unemployment. Experts and professionals, for example, doctors, engineers, educators. They seek technical, research-based solutions for industry-specific problems. Students and educators. They may use problem solution text for academic research, essays, or classroom discussions. Tailoring the language and complexity to the audience ensures better comprehension and engagement. Number 4. Adapting language, tone, and technical detail to the audience. To be effective, a problem solution text must be adjusted to the audience's knowledge level. For experts, use technical language and in-depth analysis. For example, a report on AI in healthcare for medical professionals may discuss deep learning algorithms and predictive analytics. For the general public, Use simple explanations and everyday examples. For example, a newspaper article on climate change should avoid excessive jargon and instead use relatable terms like global warming and extreme weather. For students and educators, balance technical terms with clear explanations, ensuring academic rigor while maintaining accessibility. By carefully adjusting these elements, the writer ensures the message is clear, persuasive, and relevant to the intended readers. Here is a sample text demonstrating these principles. Addressing air pollution through sustainable transportation. Air pollution is a major problem affecting public health and the environment. It contributes to respiratory diseases, climate change, and reduced air quality. Because urban areas have high traffic congestion, vehicle emissions are a leading cause of pollution. Since many people rely on personal cars for transportation, harmful pollutants such as carbon monoxide and nitrogen oxides continue to rise. This led to increased cases of lung disease and global warming. Research shows that vehicle emissions account for approximately 25% of global carbon dioxide pollution. The burning of fossil fuels in gasoline and diesel vehicles releases toxic substances into the air, worsening climate change and endangering human health. Cities with heavy traffic such as New York and Beijing frequently experience smog formation, leading to reduced visibility and breathing difficulties. One possible solution is promoting sustainable transportation methods, such as electric vehicles, public transit, and cycling. Therefore, governments should offer incentives for EV adoption and invest in efficient public transport systems. If more people use eco-friendly transportation, then air pollution levels can significantly decrease. Thus, implementing green transportation policies can help create cleaner, healthier cities. Shifting to sustainable transportation reduces carbon emissions, fuel dependency, and health risks. Governments, businesses, and individuals must work together to encourage alternative travel options. By embracing cleaner transportation solutions, we can ensure a healthier environment for future generations. Analysis of key features in the sample text. Discipline-specific words: carbon dioxide, fossil fuels, vehicle emissions, smog formation. Objective and persuasive tone. Presents facts, uses statistics, and argues for sustainable transportation. Diverse target audience. Appeals to policymakers, environmentalists, and the general public. Tailored language and detail. Avoids overly technical terms but maintains credibility with research-based information. In presenting information from a problem solution expository text, a problem solution organizer is required, a graphical representation of problems and solutions. The graphic includes the problem at the beginning, then the causes of this problem, suggestions for tips, and a final solution to the problem. Using these diagrams makes it easy for a person to understand the problem and solution. In teaching, graphic organizers are easy to understand and present. Besides, this can be used in many business organizations to structure problems and solutions. Here are some examples of problem and solution graphic organizers in teaching. Here
So did you learn something today? Sure ako na hindi ka na nosebleed? If you want more of this video tutorial and learn English in a light speed, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe at i-turn on ang notification button para updated ka sa mga bagong lessons. Ako ang teacher mo, ang English teacher ni Juan. Class dismissed! See ya!